Hello cuties. So today I'm actually in the mood to talk really unfiltered about some things because I'm in the mood for it. So obviously you have no choice but to listen. As I'm nearing 25, there are some things being an adult that I have realized and I'm realizing like down the lane. Some things about friendship, about life, about adulthood, about safety. Some people might not agree with it, but that's the whole point of making this video because it's unfiltered opinions about that I have that might get me cancelled, but I don't mind. So, yeah, here we go. Opinion 1. Friendships never end suddenly. You might think, I know many people say कि उसने मुझसे बात करना बंद कर दिया या पता नहीं अचानक से क्या हो गया हमारी बात करनी बंद हो गई अचानक से क्या हो गया. It's never अचानक से. Friendships fade over a period of time when it's not watered enough. हम सब सोचते हैं कि फ्रेंडशिप में एक बहुत बड़ा कलेश होगा या बहुत बड़ी एक फाइट होगी एंड देन सडनली वो फ्रेंडशिप ख़त्म हो जाएगी. That's not what happens in friendship. They end when there's not enough efforts of showing up. They end when they are not there to notice your tough days. They end जब उनके कॉल तभी आते हैं जब उन्हें कुछ काम हो या उन्हें कुछ नीड हो. जब या वील मीट सून वील प्लान सून ये एक रिपीटेटिव डायलॉग बन जाता है. Just one day you realize कि wow, this was the person who used to be with me 24/7, who used to know everything about me, knows nothing about me, who I am today. Adulthood teaches you this. Some friendships just fade over a time when it's not, given efforts from the both of the, I'm not just saying from the opposite side, from both of the side. And they just fade. And then you have to mature enough about it to just accept the fact and move on. You can't just force people to feel the same way. Now opinion number 2, and my favorite opinion, to be honest, like if we are out of everything that I'm going to tell you about, women's safety. It's 2025, okay, like 2025, still the woman has to talk about women's safety. Yeah, world has not evolved that much. Women's safety is not a paranoia as some people like to call it. It's the actual reality that we live in. I have to tell you something, like it just happened. Like I was on a video call with my friend today, just an hour back. Okay, I was on a video call with her. There was this man, like strange man, we don't know who he was. He went past her once, twice, thrice. She said nothing, and fourth time she had to shout. She's like, क्या है भाई? क्यों बार बार आ रहा है? क्या मतलब प्रॉब्लम क्या है? She shouted so loudly that people started noticing, and that's when he ran away upstairs. So every girl watching this will instantly understand what I'm talking about, the fear that I'm talking about. The guy watching this might think कि क्या overreact कर रही थी यार, क्या overreact कर रही है. But मैं honestly एक बात बोलूँ, हमारी life में ना overreact जैसा कुछ होता ही नहीं है. Because we don't have that luxury of waiting to find someone's right intention. It's not a waiting game for us. And this is why we walk faster at night. This is why we are always on call. To be honest, pretend to be on call. Why we clutch our bags tight. Why we share our locations anywhere we go. To our friends, to our family. Why हम बिना किसी reason के, even when we have company, we are on high alert. This is the reason. We are not paranoid. We are alert. There's a difference between being a paranoid person and being an alert person. As women, we have to be alert. It's not called as paranoia. Please understand. And honestly, I'm just tired. I'm just tired of being a brave person कि हाँ भाई भिड़ लो, नहीं बनना मुझे brave, safe feel करना है मुझे. 2025 ख़त्म हो गया है, ठीक है, like it's just a month left for 2025 and मेरे को, to be honest, I can't see a change. I can't see a single change. I can't. Let's go to another opinion of mine. If someone, like, this is also one of my like, you know what, I have thought about it a lot. If somebody makes you question your own worth, that relationship has been expired a long time ago. And it applies everywhere, be your colleague, your any relationship, like love relationship, your friendship, or anything. Like, it applies if you ever find yourself thinking ki, what am I doing wrong, and why do I feel so small around them? Do they even care about me? Trust me, something is really off there. Healthy people now, they don't make you decode their tone, कि तुम डिकोड करने बैठ जाओ कि उसका इसका अब इसका मतलब क्या था और इसका मतलब क्या था. हेल्दी फ्रेंडशिप्स आपको एंशियस नहीं बनाती है कि अब मैंने क्या बोल दिया या अब मैं क्या बोलूँगा तो उससे क्या रिएक्शन होगा. हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप्स मेक्स यू फील सिक्योर्ड, मेक्स यू फील सेफ, मेक्स यू फील हैप्पी and not anxious all the time. And I've noticed this a lot. Like, see, even I am guilty of doing that. Trust me, we all are. ये adults में ना एक problem है. We just hold on to that relationship or whatever that like जो expire हो चुका है just because of history, कि बहुत history है हमारी यार, कि नहीं नहीं यार बहुत साल, like you know ऐसा वाली चीज़ें जो होती है ना कि बहुत साल लग गए हैं, एंड वो बॉन्ड वो, एंड वी जस्ट वेट कि क्या पता फिर से पहले जैसा हो जाए, तो नहीं नहीं मैं रोक ही लेती हूँ, नहीं मैं ही पकड़ लेती हूँ. बट इट्स टाइम टू लेट गो ऑफ दैट किड. एंड यू नो व्हाट, द मोमेंट समवन मेक्स यू क्वेश्चन योर वर्थ और इवन थिंक कि दे डिजर्व बेटर, दे माइट, बट not on the expense of your self-worth. That's just an emotional burden waiting to walk off. And honestly, it's better to walk away than shrinking yourself into their needs. That's just my opinion. You can think whatever you want to, you be how. And last but not the least, outgrowing people is not an arrogance, it's an evolution. Let that sink in. Outgrowing people is not an arrogance, it's an evolution. Most difficult lesson of any adult life, you know, because when you grow now, it's but obvious कि तुम्हारा mindset भी तुम्हारे साथ change होगा. You're not going to be the same person you were at 10-year-old or you were at 20-year-old. Like, you know, your mind changes as you grow up, as you age, as you see situations, as you face life. Upbringing change, your mindset changes, your opinion changes, your goals changes. And when that happens, that doesn't mean that everybody is going to clap for you, not everybody is going to be there for you. जो पहले, you know, some people will be uncomfortable by that change कि तू तो बदल गई है यार, तू तो change हो गई है यार, you are not same as before. And the truth is, you are different. You are a different version of yourself than you were before. And that's a good different, right? That's a good change. You, like, you know what I have experienced, once you start growing, once you start getting involved in your own life, in your own career, you don't want any unnecessary drama, you don't want any unnecessary gossip, you don't want politics around you. Nahi bhai, at some point now you'll crave peace, stability, and genuine people around you who will genuinely clap for you rather than getting uncomfortable of your change. And outgrowing people isn't disrespect. It's okay to let go of that bond that is not at par with you. It's completely okay. It's not arrogance. It's definitely not disrespect. It might sound very selfish, it might sound very condescending कि मतलब छोड़ देंगे क्या फ्रेंड्स को अगर अलग माइंडसेट है. तो मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ, बॉन्ड को आउटग्रो करने को बोल रही हूँ. जो तुमसे मैच ही नहीं कर रहा है, जो कंफर्टेबल ही नहीं है, ना वो खुद आगे बढ़ रहे हैं ना तुम्हें आगे बढ़ने दे रहे. यू आर जस्ट नॉट एट द सेम लेवल. Because eventually when you grow with the age, you can't just be like, you know, in your 25 and you will think like you are 18-year-old. No, that doesn't how life works. So yeah, that's it for today. That's filtered opinions. If you agree, you don't agree, I don't mind, to be honest. these things. I just felt the need to say these things out loud. If you relate to any one of these, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know about your unfiltered opinion. So yeah, let me know. I'll be waiting for you in the comments. Good night, guys.